Hello 9th class students. Today we will learn about the mole concept in science. What is mole concept, what is the meaning of mole, and what is the importance of mole in science. So let's start students. Take example of a simple reaction H2 plus O2 gives to H2O. Balancing this reaction, 2 oxygen, 4 hydrogen, then 2 2s are 4 hydrogen. Students, this is a very simple type of the reaction in which hydrogen is combining with oxygen to form the water molecule. Now let's see the property of this reaction. If we take the number of atoms of the hydrogen and oxygen, then we can say that 4 hydrogen combining with 2 oxygen and making 2 molecules of water. Second thing, if we take the atomic mass of the atoms that are combining and that are forming the molecular mass of the water molecule and atomic mass of the atoms that are combining together, then we know that atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So here 4 hydrogen atoms are there. So 4 mass of or 4 unit of hydrogen is combining with 1 mass of the 1 oxygen atom is 16. Then that of 2 is 32. 4 unit of hydrogen combining with 32 unit mass of the oxygen to form what will be the molecular mass of the water. Now you can see 2 2s are 4 plus 16, that is 20. The whole will be multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 plus 16 is equal to 2 multiplied by 18, it will be 36. So the 4 unit combining with 32 unit of the oxygen to form 36 unit of water. If we take it in terms of the unit mass. And students, if we talk about in terms of the number of molecules, then two molecules of the hydrogen combining with 1 molecule of the oxygen to form here 36 unit, then 2 molecules of the water. So students, these are the different ways or different properties in which we can show the reactants that are combining and forming the product. But in the second and third condition, we have to calculate the unit mass of the atoms. But in the first, it is very easy to see the number of atoms that are combining together and how many number of the molecules of the products are forming. In the third one, it is also very simple to calculate the number of molecules that are combining and number of molecules that are forming. So whenever we express the chemical equation in terms of the number of molecules, then just because of the number of the size of the atoms or molecules is very small, then huge number of atoms and molecules are required in order to a reactant and in terms of the product. So it is difficult to express the large number in terms of the reactant and product. So in just like in our day-to-day life, we express the bunch of numbers by some special names. For example, 1 dozen. You know that anything which is 12 in number, we call it 1 dozen. If we talk about the 1 dozen banana, then it is equal to 12 banana. If we talk about the 1 dozen pencils, that means the 12 pencil. If we talk about the 2 dozen pencils, then it will be equal to 24, because 1 dozen is equal to 12. In the same way, the number of particles that are expressed in terms of the bunch, and the value of the bunch is equal to one mole. The value of 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Here the mole means 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now, which number? Whose number? So, either it is number of the atoms or number of the molecules, but it should be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Just like 1 dozen is equal to 12. The thing may be either banana or pencil or rubber or copies, anything. So, in the same way, here 1 mole is equal to number of microscopic particles, that its value is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Let's understand it with the help of one example. If we take 1 mole of oxygen molecule, then it is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 O2 molecules. And if we talk about the 1 mole of H2O molecule, then it will also be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 H2O molecules. Now, because this whole molecule is considered as 1, then its total number should be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So, verbally, or the main thing is that the meaning of or the value of 1 mole means the number of particles equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Let's take another example. The relation between atomic mass and number of moles. So students, we have learned about the atomic masses. Atomic mass of any element is equal to 1/12th part of the mass of the carbon 12 atom. Now see, we will see that what is the relation between number of moles and their atomic masses. Atomic masses actually students expressed in two ways. One is unit mass, that is we see in the periodic table, it is in the form of the unit mass, and second thing that we measure it in the gram. So, if we take 1 mole of carbon atom, so it will be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now, the atomic mass of the carbon is 12. So, the number of moles or the weight, total weight of the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules or atoms will be equal to 12 gram of carbon. Because this number of the atoms will have some mass, and that mass will be equal to 12 gram, because its atomic mass is 12 unit. If we take the example of the hydrogen, then if 1 mole of hydrogen atoms, we know that the atomic mass of the hydrogen is 1. So, its number of atoms will be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and if we take it in terms of the gram, then it will be equal to 1 gram because its atomic mass is 1. Secondly, all the atoms that have their atomic mass, their number of moles, 1 mole will be the total weight of the 1 mole will be equal to their atomic mass. So 1 mole of any element, then the total number of particles in 1 mole of that element will equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and their weight will be equal to molecular weight or atomic weight of that atom. If we are taking the atom, if we are talking about the element, then we will take the atom. So it will be equal to atomic weight in gram. And if we take the molecules, 1 mole of molecules, then its value will also be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. But here we will take molecular mass, and we have seen about the molecular mass, that molecular mass is equal to the sum of the individual atomic masses that are constituting the molecule. For example, molecule of the water H2O, then its molecular mass will be, atomic mass of the hydrogen is 1 and 2 hydrogen atoms are there, then 2, and atomic mass of the oxygen is 16. So, and 1 oxygen, so it will be equal to 18. So, if we take the 1 mole of H2O, then the number of molecules of the H2O will be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, but in gram its weight will be equal to 18 gram. Why? Because its molecular weight is 18 gram. Now students, we will see that how the number of moles are calculated in any compound.